Hi there, my name is Jeff, and I'm a Senior Product Manager here at CloudNC. And today I'm going to walk you through running an update for Cam Assist in Fusion 360 on a Windows machine. So you may notice from time to time in Cam Assist that an update is necessary. And that's because we do regular updates on Cam Assist. And with each new update, we bring out great new features and functionality to the product. So in the product itself, what you'll notice when you open Cam Assist in the manufacturer space of Fusion 360 is you'll get a message like this saying that you're running on a deprecated version. That just means that an update is ready. So if you hit OK and then hit the OK button on the next page here to visit the download page, you'll be taken to the download page. Select the appropriate update. In this case, we're picking the Windows version, and we're going to download the latest version. And then once that's ready to be installed, we're going to run the installer. Now, when these installers run, Fusion should be closed. And you're going to get a message here saying, yep, Fusion should be closed. So we're going to go back to Fusion, make sure it's closed. Should we save our work before we exit, of course? And what happens sometimes in Fusion is that it looks closed, but there's still processes running in the background. So what I normally like to do, I like to bring open my task manager just to check here that, oh yeah, I still have Autodesk Fusion running, even though it looks closed in other views of the computer. So now it's closed down. If it didn't close down right away, I might get impatient and actually force quit it from the task manager. But now that I'm done here, just close that down. And then I'll retry on the installer, and now it's going to complete. We'll just let that go for a few more seconds. And once the installer is complete, it'll reopen Fusion. So I have that little checkbox selected. This is a good time to remind everyone that with Fusion 360, Cam Assist is available for free trial. You can find out more about the free trial at www.cloudnc.com. In Fusion, what we want to do now is open up our newly installed update of Cam Assist. So we'll go to the manufacturer workspace, click on that, and then I'll click on Cam Assist. And now I've got the latest version. In this latest version, I've got some brand new 3+2 functionality. So look for CloudNC to be posting some videos and helpful tips and tricks on 3+2 in the future. So that's all we have for today. Quick version of how to run an update. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks from us in the future. Thanks a lot.